Hello and welcome to My People Patterns. My name is Oliver and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist here in West Hollywood, California. My People Patterns is a relationship educational hub. So whether you're single, married, divorced or dating, we'll have something for you because we're all in relationships. My People Patterns is here to explore various relationship dynamics that may need some improvement, and in particular, I'm really interested in the patterns of behavior that we seem to get stuck in really easily that don't help us or our relationship. And that's what a people pattern is. I'm a huge family systems nerd and I teach and train other therapists in this modality. And I don't really think we talk about it enough as a profession. Family systems has been around for 50 or 60 years now, so there is an enormous body of work, literature, journals, writing, books, evidence-based studies, you name it, all of which are focused on helping people improve relationships. What I'm hoping to do is to help bring some of the skills and tools and techniques that family systems theory has been writing about to everyone, to make them available to everyone. And I try and do that in a super fun, user-friendly, accessible way so that everyone can benefit from family systems. Because we're all in relationships, I think My People Patterns has something for everyone. We're all part of this very complicated, interconnected spider's web that we call a system. If you're a clinician looking for a refresher on family systems, I love teaching other therapists what I know. And for everyone else, if you're in a relationship, there's gonna be something here for you. Whether you're a parent or single or dating someone or been married for a long time, there are going to be tips, tricks, and tools for you that will help you improve your relationship. When our relationships are thriving, we tend to be our best possible selves. So that is why we want to help everyone grow great relationships.